Hello, good morning. Welcome to our Bate Kare. Pooja here. Well, how are you guys doing? I hope you're all safe and doing something positive. So, some good affirmations, some meditation. If you all have been watching my videos, I always ask you all to do something which you all are passionate about, some hobby you all are following, few minutes of meditation, going out in the nature. I hope few of you all are making this your daily routine. Okay, so this is group B, and I would really like to ask this group also what I have asked group A. Why are you guys resisting love? If you all feel this, that you all are resisting or love is not coming your way, let us find out the reasons why you all are resisting love and what can be changed so that love flows back into your lives. Okay, so group B, this is a lamp. It's a kind of a street lamp. The purpose of the lamp is to shed light, right? So there is a situation or a circumstances where light is going to be shed very soon, or you need to shed light about it, think about it. It's like a bright um, light bulb or an idea which you have to work on. So it just clicks in your brain and you get it. Yay! So this is it. Let's go with this. The first card is my theme card. Heart Guardian, love and let yourself love. Okay, this is the basic theme. Love and let yourself be loved. This group needs to start loving themselves. Then only they can allow love to come. This is, maybe you all are working very hard for others. Maybe you all have been told you all don't deserve love. Love can't come to you for some XY reasons, some thought process, but that is not true. Everybody is beautiful, everybody deserves love, and start loving yourself. See how sweetly they see there is a rose here. There's a rose. This is, I think, for kind of a necklace and a perfume bottle also. So start loving yourself, start pampering yourself, start thinking or doing something which makes you happy. It can be a mani pedi, it can be taking half an hour to chat with someone, it can be drawing, any skill of yours. Start nurturing the inner passion in you and stop resisting the love which is destined in your life. Joy and delight. Open your heart to joy. Just see this. You all have closed your heart chakras. Your chakras need to be opened. Your chakras need to be balanced. So please go and check about heart chakras. Once your chakras are balanced, more of balancing comes in your life, in every field of your life. The time is now, answering the call. Just see, so sweetly she's run to the door and she's looking out. So this shows me they all are passionately waiting for someone. You all can feel someone is there in your path, but please, you are resisting because of your thought process. So first, as the theme is, or the basic subconscious theme or mind process is, you love yourself and believe that you deserve love. Rejuvenating rain. Clear the past, heal the present. See this. I always love this card. It is so beautiful and soothing. Take time, get over your past, but once you start it today, say what is past, now let's take care of the present. It's a gift, our present. That's why it's called a present, right? So you are now loyal towards your present and the future. Stop being loyal to the past, it's useless. Learn from it and start a new adventure today. Take some time to relax, sleep more, maybe pamper yourself. and they are all part of healing. Everybody deserves healing, needs a healing process before something new can come in. Ground and center. Wow, there's a cat in this one. Last group had lots of cats. See how sweetly the cat is also relaxing. So this is the time for meditation. Meditation can also mean walking on the beach, doing gardening, doing painting, anything which makes you one with your thoughts. That is what meditation is, if you can't do the usual method. Accept love. Beautiful. Just see another cat, and she's having the chocolates here. So y'all are resisting love due to this thought process of yours. So open your heart chakra. See the number of hearts here. This again says the same thing. This group needs to open the heart chakras. Just see this. And love will flow in like anything. Set your sights higher. See this. Do not compromise with anybody or anything because y'all think y'all don't deserve it. So first and foremost, you have to work on this thought process and ask for what you think is best for you. Don't ask for anything or anyone who would want me. That is a wrong thought process. You are worth something very good, something very beautiful. So do not, go for lower standard just for because you all do not believe in yourself. Hermit, retreat and recharge. Wow. See this. All the cards for you are retreat, recharge, ground and center, clear the past, heal the present. This group, you all really need to go into a hermit mode. Just relax, unwind, sleep it off, and then come out like a butterfly. You have to go in a cocoon phase, but in a healing cocoon phase. Medicine mother, honor your inner knowing. Somewhere in your heart, you all know and you all believe you all deserve everything in life. This girl is not dead, she is alive somewhere. You have to just bring her back. You see how eyes are closed as if she's fainting or something. You have to get her up again, and you all know it in your heart that you deserve everything. This is the validation or the sign which you all must have asked from the universe. The King of Cups. See, so sweetly he's got a crown up made of water. See how silently he's sitting, relaxing in this beach. King of Cup is you all are going to make a choice to choose your passion, your love, and a person who's just right for you is in your path, is going to come across you very soon. All you need is retreat, relax, open your heart chakras, and be ready for this person. Hermit mode. See this. Different decks, the same message. Just see this. Oh my god. So guys, you all, and in this hermit mode you can also envision what you want in life. This doesn't have to be just be sorrow or feeling very sad. This is also a phase to envision the new life that you want. See how sweetly she's smiling. She's so happy. She's dreaming her new life. Ace of Swords. Yep. It's new beginnings, new life, and you see her eyes. She's got a clear vision, full staircase. She knows how to reach her destination, what she wants her life. There is a big change between these two. Both their eyes are closed, but this is different eyes closed, and this is closed with full surety, knowing her power. So you all have to reach this stage very, very soon. Once you all go through this process, this stage comes. I love this card. Hanged Woman. See this. So start looking at life from a different style, a different perspective, and observe life as a third party. I always do that. Sometimes if I'm very confused in life, I step out and observe it as if I'm observing somebody else's life, and I get the answers like this. So you need this approach in your life. Two of Cups. Wow. Two of Cups is lovers, love, two people celebrating together. So after all this, this is there in your path. As soon as you all go through this process and stop resisting. Wow. Ten of Cups. Ten of Cups is all the cups full with life, with love, happiness, family. See this. So from this phase, you have to reach this phase. This can be done in a few days, in a few weeks. For some, it can take a few months. But do not underestimate yourself, guys. You all are the magicians of your own lives. You all can even check out my other groups reading and see what resonates. Maybe some of the other groups resonates more with you than this group also. Okay, I'll add in the charms. Okay, group B, I'll add in your charms. First, let me put in the smaller charms. Oh, this group is a busy bee group. And see this. This is a plunger. You all need to release something or plunge something what is not serving you in your life. And I saw a heart somewhere. See this. It's too small to see. I hope you all can see it. Okay. Oh, you all need time to rest, relax, some pampering time, some spa time. Just see the carrot. It's Bugs Bunny's bed. You can even spend time with your grandparents, with your elders, someone you really like, someone who soothes you. He can be a teacher, philosopher, guide, anyone. So these are, I think your grandparents are remembering you a lot. Pay a visit, but if you all can't go, give them a call, FaceTime them. In this, sometimes the other messages also come in. So this is especially for someone who has got very loving grandparents who are really missing you. Okay, this is something coming towards you, some good thing, but you have to stop resisting it. This is a chariot. I always think of it as a chariot, something coming towards you. Okay. Let's see what the talking sticks have to say. Birth. It's time to birth something new. Maybe it is a new relationship, new idea. Shift or change. See this, how beautiful. First and foremost, you have to shift in your mindset. What is in your cup today? Okay, wow. Coffee, love, fear, hope. Beautiful. See what is in your cup today. And you can even watch my video how to fill up your cup. If you feel drained, sad, depressed, your cup is empty. Order a dream today. I wish it was Amazon could deliver that. Call new friends. Maybe you have made some new friends. Maybe you all can go out in your area. Do that if that's possible. Or you can always call or FaceTime anybody from any place in the world. Okay. For someone, it is time to cross the bridge. See this. And you all are here, the other person is here. So you have to make this journey. by changing your mindset, by starting something new, having a hanged man's approach, retreating, meditation, all this will get you there. And some of you all will meet someone through some message. It can be a common group, it can be a Facebook group, someone can call you, someone you just know. Some of you all need to learn something new. Maybe you all can join a cooking class, baking class, yoga, some new thing you all are planning to do. There you can meet the new love of your life. But please guys, stop resisting in your mind, and then see how beautifully things fall in place. Start loving yourself. I always say to yourself, if you don't deserve this, who does? You're the best. Talk to yourself like how I do. If you don't deserve it, sweetheart, who does? There's a big charm, there are young charms, there are small charms. Yes, I have to add this, and I have to add the color balls. Okay guys, I'll raise this up. I hope you all can see. It's kind of you can even check out the other readings. Do like, share and subscribe. And you can even check out my podcast, Pinterest. I have more than 9k pins. Go check it out. See you again with another reading. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.